You do what you want. I'm staying here.
I'm coming with you.
You do what you want to do.
I just want him to lose what matters most to him. Do what you want with him.
If I do what you want, you'll keep me in this chair forever.
Marianne, I'm just trying to help. I mean, it's your walls. Do what you want.
I'm gonna go give the Collins a heads up. Do what you want.
I only asked to say what I've come to say. After that, do what you want, and I won't try and stop you.
Okay, guys, do what you want, but I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
Why bother asking? You're gonna do what you want anyway.
She had nothing to do with this. Do what you want with me. Let her go.
Don't play the hero with me.
I have a very bad temper sometimes.
Crucial. How else are you going to get a fella to do what you want?
One word, love. Curiosity. You long for freedom. You long to do what you want to do because you want it.
We swears to do what you want. We swears.
There's no promise you can make that I can trust.
Do what you want, Frost. Doesn't make any difference.
You just don't fucking get it.
I will take you wherever you need to go. I will take you there. I will leave you there. You can do whatever you want. You never have to see me again. But not here. If we stay here, we die.
You know what that's about?
Yeah, having enough time.
Enough time to do what you want to do.
That's right.